Alright, thank you for tuning in. We're going to do this assignment here, page 325. Tamira and Robert want to watch this motion graph. That's the motion detector. They decided Tamira will hold the motion detector while Robert walks in front. Let's go ahead and go over the answers. Notice that the x-axis is the time in seconds. The y-axis, it is the distance in feet. Where should Robert begin? Well, he starts right here. So you can say 24 feet from the motion detector. How should Robert move for the first 2 seconds? Alright, so here is the time in seconds. That'll be right here. So what you need to do is you can use this highlighter. So basically you're gonna go, that's the change over the y over the change of x. So for this piece, it looks like we went down, so it goes by 4, so 24 minus 4, right? Which will give us 20. So this will be 20. And then this will be 2. So then the rate will be 20 feet every 2 seconds. But it went down, so, and then we simplify, so that would be negative 10 feet per second towards the motion detector. Our way would be the opposite way. Okay, so what's next? What should Robert do between 2 to 3 seconds? Nothing. Stop, right? So, and what should Robert do between 3 to 4 seconds? That's a good one. So for this one, you're gonna go like that. So it looks like it's 12 minus 4, which will be 8. And then this is 1. So between 3 to 4 seconds, they move at 8 feet per second. E. How fast should Robert walk? Between 4 and 6 seconds. That's over here. Why is a different color? So they want 4 to 6 seconds. So from here to here, we'll go this way and that way. So it looks like it's going to be 12 over 2. So it'll be negative 12 feet for 2 seconds, or which is equivalent to negative 6 feet every second. For the other one, 6 to 7 seconds, that's gonna be 4 feet. They almost got me, because it goes by 4s, not by 1. When should Robert move most quickly? The fastest rate. So, well, whichever one is steeper, first one. So it'll be this one right here. That's the steeper, so in the first 2 seconds. First 2 seconds is why? Because this is where the graph is the steepest. Does this graph represent a function? Yes. Each input has its own output. And let's talk about the domain and range. So the domain will be from 0 to 7. What about the range? Okay, so well, the lowest point is 0 to 24. So all real numbers from 0 to 24. And that's it.